May this video bless you. May this video find you with an open heart. It's this time of the year where everything is very intense as we're still in a Mercury retrograde. This video is timeless, but you might experience some very intense energy. I'm very guided to keep singing this chant, this frequency that I've been gifted with a few days ago. There is a lot of help, galactic help at this moment, particularly because I'm hearing that this is a big cleanse. It's a big clearing of Mother Earth, a lot of emotional clearing. You must rest. I'm hearing like rest anyway. So if you can just take this day off, rest now, as your entire system needs to digest the energetic storm that is happening here and now on planet Earth. Again, it's the time to heal. It's your duty to heal. It's your duty to expect a miracle through the healing process. This healing journey is going to definitively bring you into unknown spaces. It's going to be powerful, intense, a lot of cry, a lot of tears, of joy, of sadness. But there is no escape. This morning I posted a little short regarding this powerful quote of happiness. Are you looking for happiness? And if yes, you must understand that if you are seeking happiness, expect sadness. As this universe is made of polarities, you must experience the opposite in the scale, if that makes sense. Rather, if you want to find and if you seek peace from within, you cannot be deceived. There is moment with and moment without. But when you seek peace, you will find yourself through that process. You will know what you want and what you do not want anymore. You will remember what you've been through to be able to want peace and experience peace as everything in your life. This calm, this tranquility, this serenity within is everything you can experience when you've been experiencing hell your entire life. Close your eyes as, again, I'm very guided to grab a dragon card from the Oracle deck. And from that dragon, I'm going to keep singing this frequency again. There's a lot of help and they're like all around. They're like, please talk about us, talk about us. So they're here to help you extract the very difficult pain. But again, you must rest, because for some of you, the energetic pain, substance pain that they have to remove out of your system, you need to lay down to be able to fully benefit the healing. It might be some very Arcturian, I'm hearing Arcturian's frequency healing chamber right now. So again, very important if you can lay down. But not only, there is Lyrian that is operating around planet Earth, really helping you in healing journey. So I have two cards of the dragon that came. Very beautiful. It's lilac fire dragon, transmutes through the power of divine love. Cannot make this up. I'm going to put that while I chant because they want you to infuse with that beautiful dragon, and it said open up to transcend love and enlightenment, purify of hearts, brings peace, hope and joy. You see, this is what you have to seek, and not happiness. Happiness, you can have it and then it's going somewhere. Peace is something you will always seek and look after. This is a state of mind, state of being. And I have the blue dragon from the Pleiades. So the Pleiades might be around also. Thank you for being here, beautiful. Prepares you to accept source healing. Ooh. It is, and I think we're under a full moon also. It is very, very deep. On November 17th also, we experienced the peak of this Mercury retrograde in Scorpio, which is deep underworld kind of emotion. So now they want to work on your very traumatic memories you might carry within your soul from past life or also from this lifetime. And I am here on this planet to help you. That's my mission. That's my gift. I'm really here. I'm dedicated to help you manage your traumas. That's who I am, right? So I have the chance to be able to dig deeper into your Akashic records and find what it is that is trapping you from not experiencing your true alignment, your abundance on this planet. I'm here to channel what they are sending around to help you identify, because I'm seeing observer. Observer is the place you need to enter this healing journey with, because you need to understand, you need to see and observe these repetitive cycles, repetitive pattern you're trapped into, to be able to get out of them. So I will say, as soon as you're aware of it, it's like 80% of the job is already made. But if you keep wanting, not seeing, denying the reality, the truth for what it is, there is nothing they can do, and therefore I can do as I channel their healing energy. They say accept the heart activation, give and receive heart healing. This is very big. Okay, it's everything about source, divine frequency, divine love. So I guess this healing frequency I've been gifted with is everything about accepting love for you. Okay, they're saying to accept to be vulnerable, and it starts there. When you accept you need help from others, this is where they I have the right, they have the right to enter your space, your auric field. Therefore, your Akashic record, you give me permission to explore for you, to have this breakthrough within the next few days when the moon will be in your sun sign. Next awakening of consciousness, you will be aware of this cycle you're trapped into since very long time. Please close your eyes now. Tsu oro uma sa iki idi io no we tiki ia sutaruwa atara ingara o tutuku uwa na se itere io o ma e kiri ia so. Ya Pleiades geri o tutukunde I eri diki ia wuruwa na ta. Suku ahnikai kiwadi kane say tonight Anike itoro ukutoro uma sara I ituru otso ututukuna dara o so uana narayata. Iketre io to no we idiri eo shukwa enere I as shumo ototo uwe. Iku uwa ana ere io to no we awayo shumo yaka. Koyo so my eri. su tere kai shi Very good. Ki iri ino otoro oko oshu uno no wata dere iyo toku narayasha. This is the Soul Mirror Oracle. This is magnificent deck, and I wanted today to take one card from that before letting you go. I love you so much, dear beautiful people. You matter. You're so important, and I wanted to thank you from the deep part of my soul for being here since the beginning. You shine so bright. I acknowledge you. I see you for what you are. I have attention here, resistance, abandonment. You see, it's back of the deck. It's old energy. You might have been through a Kundalini awakening very recently, out of depression mood, because yeah, I'm seeing a lot of thoughts all around you that are transitioning. I'm hearing, yeah, I have portal. The divine is so loud, and I have peace, as we started this video with. Say, open this portal. Okay, what I'm hearing with this portal, okay, it might be a portal of peace that is going to happen in your life soon. And also they want me to talk about this new website I am creating right now. It's going to be a portal for your soul to experience a true trauma healing journey. I'm so dedicated to this new project. I am literally proud of being able and proud and very grateful and thankful to be able to create this portal, energetic portal dedicated to healing your traumas, your wounds, and manifesting from a place of peace, love, light, and truth. Until next time. Namaste.